Okay, this is the Banggood LED Windmill Training Kit, and it's easy. If I can do it, you can do it. And let's take a look at the parts that you get. Pretty simple. Remember to align those marks on that one item that I have indicated there. And you really don't need any instructions for it. It's pretty straightforward. The board has everything marked. And remember, the long wire is the plus wire on the LEDs. And you can see the little plus sign where that long wire goes on the board. But pretty easy. If you're not good at soldering, this is a good board to practice on. There's no super minute things to solder, so you should get through it. Let's take a look. Okay, here's the little windmill. Got it working. Everything seems to be working fine on it. And just some pieces of scrap wood that I built a little stand for it and glued on a little holder to hold it there because I'm going to put it on a shelf by a window, and rigged up an old USB cable to plug in, and then it gets plugged in here to 5-volt output there. So everything looks good on it there. There we go on the back. Soldering was pretty easy. I would recommend this kit if you want to try it for a little practice. Not hard to build. Everything works, and like I said, this section on the back here I mounted on the back. They usually want you to mount it on the front, but since this is going up against a window, I wanted this in the back so it would be out of the way. And you have your buttons here on both sides where you can, one side increases the speed of the spinning, the other side decreases the speed. So I just have it set at that speed, and it looks pretty good. But easy kit. Recommend it. Not expensive. Doesn't take you too much time. Good practice for soldering. Not difficult. Okay.